everyone, this is Rohini and today I'll be sharing with you all one simple yoga posture which will give you instant relief from a back pain if your back pain is happening because of a weak lower back or because of overarching of the back. But if you have slip disc or any other condition, then this will not help. So stay tuned guys. Go back on your mat and then take a yoga belt. It should be non-stretchable. Wrap it around your upper back, around your shoulder blades and around your armpit like so, and then you gotta lie down. You gotta lie down with a bent knee and wrap the belt around your shin bone like so, and then relax into the posture for 3 to 5 minutes. What this does is it is descending your lower back into the floor, thereby supporting your lower back muscle, giving it rest, giving it support, de-stressing the lower back, and at the same time it is pushing the belly into the lower back, thereby strengthening your core as well. Whenever you pull your belly muscle in, it goes deeper into the back muscle relaxes, and your core also becomes more and more stronger. So you relax your arms like this. What the bell does is you don't have to put any kind of pressure around your arms to hold the leg like this all the time for 3 to 5 minutes. You can just relax into the pose and de-stress your back. And then once you're done, you come out of the pose by rolling over to any one side and slowly sit upright. This is a wonderful posture for back pain. If you have a back pain because of a weak back muscle or overarching of the spine, please try it out and let me know how you feel. Thank you very much guys. Goodbye.